I've shot and edited thousands of videos over 2 decades, and honestly, I'm still learning. In terms of putting my own work out there, I know for sure that I don't really like littering my website with a bunch of examples of projects I've done. Plus, many times projects that involve celebrities, I often have to fill out NDAs, and the usage of the project is specific to the client's deliverables. Of course, I provide samples of work if someone interested in working with me requests it, but in general, what I put out there is a real, simple 60-second reel. Other production companies, editors, and DPs do things differently. My preferences are just to put the best stuff I've done in a 60-second video, and I honestly feel people don't need to see more than 60 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you disagree. Basically, how I put together my portfolio is I assemble the best shots I've done, try to group them into similar types of footage or shoots like commercials, creative stuff, interviews, drone shots, etc. I like to keep things super simple. I appreciate you watching this short video. If you have any questions or if you have a project you'd like to discuss, let's connect. My calendar fills up quickly. I only take 3 clients at a time to ensure dedicated attention. Go ahead and click the link for a quick chat. Thanks.